Welcome to the mock-up presentation of Anomaly Alert by Group 2, Seismic Ideas. Santiago is an urban center that witnesses a serious problem in its city life. Crime rates, consisting in house break-ins, assaults, and thefts, are high and increasing constantly. Security systems, alarms, and electric fences are some of the mechanisms used to combat this problem. Nevertheless, every day 67 houses are assaulted, and last year the number of house-breaking crimes grew by 5.2%. This reflects how current attempts to solve this matter are not enough. This is why Seismic Ideas is proposing a new security system, Anomaly Alert. This all-new security system consists in the installation of cameras around your house, business, or apartment. These cameras will record live feed constantly and upload this to the web. Uploaded video footage will be then processed in Anomaly Alert servers and computers. The processed video will be then passed through a machine learning algorithm, which will have learned to detect situations of robbery, assault, or even suspicious activity. Depending on video input, the algorithm will be able to detect learned situations and return a risk factor, which is the probability of a future crime taking place. If risk factor is greater than 70%, different warnings will take place. Over 70% risk, the anomaly is considered a risky situation. This situation is observed by a human employee who will determine how to proceed based on what he is seeing. The options are calling the police, turn on the alarm, or continue a silent observation. Over 95% risk, the alarm and police call are triggered automatically, in case employee hasn't done it already. Anomaly Alert consists of a suspicious activity algorithm, which will create preventive alarms based on a machine learning technology. Effectively, an alarm will go off before a crime is committed, thus stopping crime before it happens. Since most of video footage is analyzed by algorithm, operational cost will be lower than competitors. Our ideal user is the owner of a household that permanently lives in fear in his own home. This user belongs to the higher-end socioeconomic groups. He is willing to invest in security systems and is in need of guaranteed safety for his family and assets. How is machine learning applied? The suspicious activity algorithm has to be trained to detect crimes before they happen, calculating a risk factor. This process consists in training and testing the algorithm with a large amount of video footage that include house break-ins and assaults. The algorithm is fed these videos and the feedback. This feedback is whether video ended in crime or not. When the model is created, live video footage will be passed through the algorithm as a series of images. The algorithm will use the model to calculate the probability of the video ending in a crime, and this probability will be used as a risk factor. Model will later be continuously trained and improved. For a better understanding of the algorithm, we are going to show what is happening in the situation we already saw at the beginning. In this situation, there are two people walking on the street, which doesn't generate practically any risk. Now the two individuals have stopped by a window for 5 minutes, which returns a 10% risk rate. This means that 1 out of every 10 times that people stop near a window and stay for 5 minutes or more, a crime is committed. This percentage is based on the data the algorithm has processed and learned at the moment. As the people stay near the window for an extra amount of time, the risk level went up to 25%. Finally, when the person climbs the window, the level goes up to 99%. This means that when this or a similar situation happens, 99 out of every 100 times a crime occurs, again based on the data of the system at the moment. As risk is greater than 95%, the alarm goes out.
Created using Powtoon.